Dr. Rob here, 1 Minute Theology, Lesson 26, continuing the discussion on sin. And we want to discuss the fact that sin brings death. Paul says in Romans 6, the wages of sin is death. God says to Adam and Eve, the day you eat of that tree, you die. And we know that Adam and Eve didn't drop dead, but the process of death began. The primary meaning of death in the Bible is separation. And the first thing that sin does is it separates us from God. In Romans 1, Paul calls this ungodliness, that our sins have separated us, have broken our relationship with God. And it is that broken relationship that we see when God casts them out of the garden. But it not only affects our relationship with God, our sin affects our relationship with each other and separates us from each other. We see this as Adam and Eve try to make fig leaves to hide their nakedness. That's a level of separation. The final point, well, not the final, the next point of death would be physical death. That's when our spirit separates from our body, and without the spirit, the body dies. The final point of death is the second death, the lake of fire, also known as hell, when God will throw all unrepentant sinners into that lake of fire. The wages of sin is death, and death means separation. And unless we find a way to get rid of sin, that is the future we look forward to. We thank God that He found a way to get rid of our sin. That's the next exciting lesson coming up. So, thanks for listening and have a great day.